Hi everyone, Sean from SouthernBM here. Today I'd like to introduce you to our brand new Cap Industries fire extinguisher bracket designed exclusively for the G8x M3 and 4. Let's have a look and see how easy it is to fit it. The first step of the installation process is attaching the fire extinguisher bracket to the seat bracket using the supplied mounting hardware. Once the fire extinguisher bracket has been fitted, we can then install the seat bracket to either the driver's side or passenger side of the vehicle. Simply attach the bracket to the seats using the supplied hardware. This can be done on either the standard seats or M carbon seats. Once the bracket's installed, it's just a matter of fitting the fire extinguisher to the car. As you can see, we've got the latch facing upwards, which will make it much easier for removing and installing the fire extinguisher in the future. And we've got a full range of movement available with the seat. And there you have it, simple added safety and the full function of your seat movement retained. Contact us for further information or visit our website today.